Every journey begins in the fields.
Careful hands select the finest ingredients. Raw ingredients await their transformation.
Inside, systems operate with constant rhythm.
Authorization opens the doors to production.
Leaderson, transcription. Cleanliness protects every grain.
Skilled hands prepare to guide the process. Behind these walls, flavor meets engineering. From transport to technology, the real work begins. Spices roll toward transformation. Accuracy defines the first checkpoint.
Raw harvest meets measured precision.
Inside, the process awaits.
The unloading begins. Precision continues beyond the gate. Entry begins with verification.
The factory rises ahead like a steel fortress.
Every mile carries the promise of flavor. Raw ingredients travel toward industrial precision. The harvest leaves the fields behind.
Spices are locked in for a controlled journey.
Each grain is carefully packed for travel.
From field to facility, ingredients are secured.
Transport begins with steady precision. Spices are gathered for their journey.
Spices are purified for consistent flavor.
Safety and purity go hand in hand.
Dalam lajenti tertentu barang paradenghe. Anberetwa ikan bisaning or bui santo bahaseptin se seli wakoche. Or grande de moteri.
Transcription. Hydration prepares grains for perfect cooking.
Nè suy chiết nội chỉ dụ dưới điều đi dạng miệng đi sừng nọ càng thiên sới. Anh nhị thằng nhị xóa đi, trông lấy rám chân khổng. Để biểu chi để xong con chẹn thưởng thụ.
From transformation to preservation, the journey continues.
Controlled cooling locks flavor and texture.
Human vigilance complements machine precision.
Labels mark each tray for traceable logistics.
Automation merges speed with accuracy. Protection prepares the product for storage. Temperature control preserves quality at every step.
Each code confirms authenticity and accuracy.
Robotics optimize every angle of inspection. Weight verification ensures consistency.
Automation directs each batch precisely. Speed does not compromise accuracy. Safety is confirmed before final assembly.
Precision stacking ensures perfect pallet integrity.
Centralized control maintains smooth operation.
Finished goods are routed efficiently. Environmental monitoring ensures product quality. Every tray is accounted for accurately. Automation orchestrates a flawless assembly line.
Final human check complements automation. Protection seals in freshness for transit. Controlled environment preserves product quality.
Precision ensures freshness and hygiene. Sealing begins the final product transformation.
Final alignment ensures visual and structural perfection.
Quality assurance validates every batch.
Data confirms perfection before packaging. Final sealing locks in aroma and flavor.
Labels and codes verify traceability.
Automation ensures uniform and safe pallet assembly.
Packaging safeguards freshness and hygiene. Packaging safeguards freshness and hygiene. Environmental control preserves product quality.
Organized storage ensures smooth distribution. Automation streamlines dispatch with precision. Efficiency guides each pallet forward. Seamless alignment ensures safe transfer. Movement ensures secure transit. Dispatch preparation completes the production cycle. Finished products begin their journey to customers.
Every corner reflects meticulous production management. The factory stands as a testament to modern production.
Logistics orchestrates the final step of delivery.
Human supervision ensures every shipment is accounted for.
Distribution begins as production reaches completion. From raw ingredients to ready meals, every step is captured. The journey from farm to table is complete.
Distribution networks connect factory to customers. A clean facility prepares for the next production cycle.